After the appropriate amount of time has elapsed, we will turn off the heater and the pump. Now we will loosen the red nut and take out the headspace tube. Clamp it in the same position as it was in the headspace setup and insert the bottom end in a small pear-shaped flask. Then we take a little bit of the highly flammable, so take care that there are no hot plates nearby. We take a few milliliters, not more, of the pentane diethyl ether that we use for flushing off the headspace volatiles from the Tenax tube. For this we use a Pasteur pipette, and we pipette 1 or 2 ml in the headspace tube. Take care not to overflow the headspace tube. Initially this might go a bit slow, but gradually it goes faster and faster. If it's going too fast, you can use a balloon to exert a little bit of pressure on the top of the headspace tube. So make sure you clamp it. This was not intentional, but nothing happened. Now you can see it flushes very rapidly into the flask. And again, a few milliliters should be enough. As the boiling point is about 35-36 degrees, evaporation will be quite fast. Make sure that always some liquid remains. As soon as all the pentane ether has evaporated, also your headspace volatiles will disappear very rapidly, and you will not be able to measure any headspace with your gas chromatograph. Okay, this should be sufficient. And then let it evaporate, don't stopper it. And when about 50 microliters has remained, make sure your GC is ready and perform your injection. So it's best to use an insert if you use the auto sampler with the GCMS. Then if you have 50 to 100 microliters, you should have no problems. If you wish, you can attach the tube to the pump to make sure it's completely dry. And when it's dry, you can clamp it again with the brass nuts. This is the end of the demonstration.